And I gotta do something about that muffler.
Yeah, that muffler ain't gonna happen.
Where'd that muffler? Oh, it's outside cooling off. If I took it apart, it's definitely full of junk. There, it doesn't have a hole through it. It needs a hole through it. Even a small hole would be nice. It's got no hole.
There's nothing in there. It's just baffle.
It's a lot of something in there that needs to come out. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get all that crap out of there though. You got any ideas? Well, I opened up the back of it. That hole got opened up. The problem is
Can't you slide it out?
there's a little 1-inch. There's a 1-inch hole inside of it.
But I mean, if you take out this bolt or the security, that the whole thing will slide out.
I am not sure what that does.
It slides out. The whole thing slides out.
I don't think it.
It does, because that's a baffle lock.
I don't think it all slides out.
Yeah, you take that off and the whole thing will slide out.
Yeah, well.
Guaranteed.
You can guarantee it all you want, but I'd be shocked if it did.
It's gonna come out.
Well, then take it out.
You got a security Torx bit like that?
I have a Torx bit. I thought that was an Allen though. But
No, you got a Torx? That looks like a Torx to me.
good, cause
Security?
See, I bought all of this Japanese stuff up here.
Yeah, I see it, but it doesn't look like a security. Oh yeah, it is.
I bought the fancy holder.
Fancy schmancy.
You like those holders? They're pretty fancy.
That's it.
Was that 3/8 drive?
Yeah, that's it.
I know it's the one I used on the other one. Well, that's
Small peg.
Well, why'd you use the big one?
Small
Well,
peg, big hole.
here,
We'll do with that.
swap it.
Oh, oh,
Push up on it, pull down. There you
oh
go.
nice.
These are not cheap tools.
Here.
Now, why you need a 1/2-inch drive on a number 2 Phillips, I don't know, but they have it. One's very tight. Yeah, I get all that fancy stuff.
Here it comes.
It all falls out.
Yeah. Here it comes. Oh yeah, it's moving out.
Is it coming?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, father.
Look at that. Falling out.
Yeah, well, we need something to.
Is it falling out this side?
Yeah. No, it's coming out this way. Here it is. Here it comes.
You're scratching my chrome.
I'm trying not to.
Why don't you hit it with a hammer like I was?
Okay. It's coming out.
No, hit this with a hammer. The shock will knock it.
Oh, okay.
I'd go up though. Yeah.
You think? Coming?
Yes.
Bam.
That was neat.
What do you think?
I just lost 30 pounds. I think it has some glass in it.
Yeah, you think?
Fiberglass.
Yep. We call that a pack glass, or a glass pack.
I'm surprised that came out. You know it's going to run like crap though, like that. That's still hot. You know that's going to sound like crap. It's going to run like crap too. See, this is where you take it and you put you weld an exhaust pipe onto here to make it longer inside that piece of crap. All right, well, where's your clamp at?
Bam!
Where's your clamp at? There's the stainless clamp.
It was right there, right?
It was there until I mixed up with all my crap on here.
Maybe it's under the bike still.
Could be. Anything else under the bike? Alright, we'll be back. We're looking for a clamp.